Last morning. Okay, so I'm here at the launch, right? The launch of the CC Expo. Yes, that Ras Asta is promoting, and of course, Coral Cliff has provided for us refreshment. We have some pastries and some sandwiches. Yes, coffee is here, and it's a good look. Men of Might will support the initiative. Of course, I'm here representing Wiccan Supply and Services Limited. Yes. Cornwall one. I'm also here as the General Secretary for the Cornwall College Old Boys Association. I would want to see this initiative be successful, right? And so I'm inviting old boys. You own a business, you manage a business, you can come out on the day of the expo, promote your business and participate. It's a way of giving back to the school through your contributions. So we invite you to participate. Yes? Send a message, give us a call, give us a call and participate. And let's give back to Cornwall College. Of course, the expo will be on the 16th during homecoming. Of course, annual homecoming, Cornwall College Old Boys Association. We'll have our week of homecoming activities, and the expo will be held on the 16th. So we're inviting you to participate. Sign up, participate. All the funds, all contribution goes back to the school. So you pay for your booth, it goes back to the school, right? So come out and participate. Sign up. Come on, men of might, let's get this done. So of course, your funds as well. Not to forget, remember in October last year, we had Hurricane Melissa, damages were done, and we want to rehabilitate. So we're looking, this fund is specific to the landscaping at the general out area of the school, and so we're inviting you again to just contribute, participate, and help us to beautify our alma mater. Yes, Cornwall College. The school on the hill, beside the sea. Heads, heart and hands, we pledge to thee that love and honor in our land, Cornwall College, still may stand. Participate. October 16th, be a part of the expo. Look forward to see you there. All businesses. Yeah, Cornwall own, come out. And let's do this. See you there. And my name is Richard Dennis. Yes, Richard Dennis, General Secretary of the Cornwall College Old Boys Association, Mobile Chapter.
Shoulder to the wheel and I'm sure you will feel this. Learn a little more about what being famous so you can later know what to say. Emancipate yourselves from the black slavery.
Hello everybody, my name is Antonio and I'm the General Manager here at Coral Cliff, and we are really proud and pleasure to sponsor the Cornwall School event today with a nice lunch. I hope you enjoy it. It's good.
I'm inviting all businesses in and around Montego Bay and Kingston and entire Jamaica to participate in the cleaning up, the straightening up, the beautification of the campus at Cornwall College. Yes, we are men of might, and we can show them what men of might can do for the campus. So, AJ Brown going to be there too. Blessed love.
That kind of sound can never bear no fruit. No, before you kill abroad, you got to learn to kill a yard. Self-empowerment, a strictly dollars and cents. Just some little words of wisdom. That's why we need to leave your lives to freedom. Freedom of expression is new. Just some little words of wisdom. Freedom. To leave your lives to freedom. Listen up. Watching, expecting in the place. Do all you say. Just put your shoulder to the wheel and I'm sure you won't be. slave away. Music time, just so little words of wisdom. That's why we forget to leave your lives to freedom. Freedom of speech, yeah. Just so little words of wisdom.